Hint number 3. The linear mass density, which equals mass divided by length, well, that equation could be solved for the mass, capital M, and mass equals lambda times the length. So if you took the linear mass density and you multiplied it by the whole shebang length, you would get the whole shebang mass. However, if you took lambda and you multiplied it by a tiny piece of the length, dl, well, then you wouldn't get the whole mass, you would get a tiny piece of the mass, dm. But dl is usually written as a dx. So this becomes dm equals lambda times dx. So this part is broken up into little masses. Let me try that again. Little masses. Each little bit of mass is called a dm, but each dm is associated with a little change in the length, dx. And the hidden relationship between the dm and the dx is dm equals lambda dx. So what you're going to have to do is the integrals with the dm's have to be transformed into integrals with dx's. Good luck.